how to turn off or on email or desktop dashboards notifications on Hubspot, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, open your browser and then once you're here, click settings, and here we'll find notifications, and now you will scroll down until you find dashboards, and here we'll find deals. Now you can turn it off or on, and that's it. And also you can manage, don't forget to click save, and also you can manage desktop notifications, and you can turn it off or on, and that's it. Then save it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.